Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by configuring your controller and practice parameters. You want predictable inputs. You'll enable practice mode and run short drives to isolate freeform movement. Next, lower stick sensitivity slightly and assign alternate passing if needed so your right stick microcorrections register. Once done, use a mobile QB who reads pressure well. This lets you step up and reshape lanes. Practice 3 drop-back reps focusing on moving with your feet before adding progressive pass targets. Now concentrate on how to move inside the pocket. Tap the right stick for slight lateral shifts and micro-adjust your angle, because big sweeps cost accuracy. Simultaneously use left stick to alter foot placement, which influences pass animation and release window. Once you identify a lane, push with controlled motion toward the seam while keeping your eyes level to improve throwing accuracy. Make sure to mix short pump fakes and progressive targeting so defenders bite, and you create clean throwing windows. Finish each rep by committing to a measured release. When you move into the lane, set your feet with a brief pause, then throw. This improves completion chance and explains why small delays matter. If you notice wild throws, reduce stick sensitivity or increase dead zone so tiny inputs don't register as full motions. Finally, track 10 to 15 practice drives, note trends, and adjust aggression and timing. If problems persist, check controller calibration and repeat focused reps on the same play until muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.